Hello Newtonians. Welcome to the Required Skills for Mechanical Design Engineers video series. In this series, we're zeroing in on 8 key skills every mechanical design engineer needs to excel. Dive into individual videos for focused insights, or watch our all-in-one video for the full rundown. The skills listed here are based on my opinion and experience. Decision-making skills. Decision-making skills are the ability to select the optimal solution between one or more alternatives. These skills are also something that we use in our everyday life and work. We constantly weigh the different options to get to the optimal decision. Everything we do and achieve in our personal and professional life is based on our decisions. While the decisions in our life are often made based on our feelings, intuition, subjective opinions, and personal goals, mechanical design engineering decisions are made, at least they should be, based on the information we have. Usually, they are backed up with some kind of analysis. For example, our goal is to produce a cheap consumer product. Therefore, we could create a quantity/cost diagram of different manufacturing processes and decide based on that diagram. For decision-making, information plays a huge role. You should gather as much information as possible before making a decision. In mechanical design engineering, the decisions are rarely one-dimensional. Every decision that we make usually impacts more than just one thing. For example, we had some issues with the tolerances on our components. We analyzed the problem and have a few solutions we could implement. We decide to change tolerances and update our drawings. As a result of this decision, we have an additional cost related to changing our drawings, creating an ECR, and properly documenting the change. We are also impacting the component's price because now, with the tighter tolerances, our supplier must add additional setup costs, extra time for manufacturing, and use more expensive equipment for measuring the component. All these things I listed before should have been involved in the decision-making process. When we get to the point where we have solutions, we already know that our solutions will work. Now with our decision, we are determining what kind of impact our solution could have. The questions, of course, are, is our decision cost-effective, and does it bring the value we want it to bring? Answer to these questions should be answered before we make a decision. Here are some tips. Gather as much information as you can before making a decision. This information could include scientific analysis, cost analysis between solutions, value analysis between solutions. For example, some solutions may be less expensive, but they are bringing less value to our customers. Risk assessment. Inputs from your coworkers and other experts. Always have a complete overview of why you made a certain decision. You do not want to say to your boss that you do not remember why you made a decision, but you know it was right. If you have a big decision to make, and you have time to make it, sleep on it. Sometimes you will have to get your decision approved. When you do, always try to get a written confirmation. When making a big decision, permanently archive all the details. This should go without saying, but always make ethical decisions. Do you have any questions for us? Let us know in the comments below. Do you like our videos? Then, give us a thumb up, comment, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and on your social media channels. And if you want to become a part of the Newtonians, make sure to subscribe to our channel.